All right, so today we're gonna go through one of our pro guys, kind of a sample session. It's his day 2 of the week, so he had a relatively high throwing day yesterday. We're gonna do some upper body work today. We're gonna start with the scoop tosses here. So you can see we got the LED board in view, so we'll get some velos here. We'll measure these on both sides and we'll kind of go from there. We'll just kind of riff throughout the day. Let's get it rolling. 26-1. 27-7. 26, 23, 23-5, 24-4. So with these, we'll hit some of our mobility work. Connor came in with kind of a bricked up spine, so we're getting some of this T-spine rotation work in. So what we're gonna do here is a seated T-spine rotation with a rib distraction. And so you can see he's got his feet kind of stabilized there. He loves these, so you can probably see the joy on his face right now. So we'll go through these and then kind of when his rest period's up, got about 2 minutes between sets here, we'll get back to his scoop tosses. You can probably hear a little person running around in the background, so Margot is helping us with this session today. So you can see kind of each rotation he gains a little bit of ground. Credit to Greg Rose of TPI for these. All right, so next set of scoop tosses. Number to beat is 28-5, you said, right? 25. All right, we'll try to hit a little PR here. It's kind of the goal each session while we track these things. All right, let's do it. 24-8.
It's not good enough.
27-1. 29-1, there you go. 23-1, that lefty one was probably a misread. 26-7, nice. Solid set though. All right, so here we're gonna do the supine lat throw. Pretty relevant to throwing, right? The lat's one of the big money accelerators of the arm during the throw. So Connor's in a bit of like a strength kind of redevelopment phase real quick, just to touch it up before we get into that final push before spring training. So we're gonna use one of the heavier balls here. PR is 25, so we'll try to beat that here. Let's see what you got. 24-4. 24-5. 24-1. Hey, 26-2, there you go. All right, and then we'll go into his 90-90 pails and rails, working on that hip internal and external rotation while he has his 2 minutes of rest. Second round here, 26-1. New number to beat. Let's see what we got. 24-5. Hey, 25-3. 25-5. Got a 26-2 in you. 24-8. Hey, still 2 more above that previous PR. Good set. All right, so we're through our kind of highest velocity ballistic stuff of the day. And we're gonna go into one of our complexes now. So we're gonna go through relatively heavy dumbbell bench, essentially an 8 RM, but we're gonna do it for 4 reps, an 8 RM load. And then with this, we're gonna complex some med ball chest passes after 2 minutes of rest. So here we go. Full range presses, relatively high velocity. Yep, fast. Good. Yep. Yep. Good. Nice, dude. All right, so now we're gonna go max height med ball chest passes. All right, here we go. Nice. Yeah, ballistic push-ups were something that kind of flared him up, so we've gone to kind of higher velocity, lighter implement stuff, so the landings aren't quite as forceful and it seems to have worked better. All right, so we'll move on to some accessories now. We'll go through some chest supported rows, pretty heavy here. Again, kind of a strength touch-up phase. So we've been staying kind of in that 80%-ish range of 1 rep max. And it'll be pretty similar here. Yep, good protraction at the bottom there. Going through those long muscle lengths. All right, good stuff. All right, another one. All right, same deal here. Go through that full range. All right, rows are a really good opportunity to train through end range protraction and retraction. All right, see a scapula going around the rib cage in both directions. That's exactly what we're looking for. All right, so we are on to getting towards the end here. So we're going to our TRXYs. So what we're doing here is we're gonna train scapular posterior tilt, right? Pretty relevant for layback and just in general as part of the throw. And we're also gonna train that musculature of the posterior shoulder, right? Relevant for deceleration of the arm. So this will be a pretty demanding movement. And obviously you can kind of tailor it to your own level based on kind of where you stand, how much of your body weight you're gonna take, that kind of thing. Okay, so keep a little bit more tension at the top. Don't let them go quite as slack. If you need to step out further, you can. There you go, nice. Nice, nice, nice. All right, and then we will have minor setup change. We'll go to the overcoming ISO polyp presses. You can hear our fun train in the background. All right, so here, I will bring this up. We're gonna measure this with a tin deck. All right, it's gonna pull as hard as he can on these. All right, go ahead. All right, 34.4 kilos. All right, we'll go the other way. Let's see what you got this way. 36.8 kilos. All right, so not bad. Measure these each time to make sure we're getting max output. Overcoming ISOs are pretty great for training specific ranges of motion and for training kind of max force, so good stuff.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you're interested in some guidance in your own career and some help getting to the next level, let us build your program for you. So the way this will work is we'll take you through an entire assessment process, going through your mobility and movement screening. We'll take you through a mechanical analysis as well, based on about 60 points that we've built out to kind of decide where your greatest areas of opportunity are. And then we'll also go through a force velocity profile so we can help build out your strength and conditioning plan. With this in mind, we'll build out an entire plan for you based around all of your kind of areas of need, weakness, and opportunity based on your time of year and working with your current school schedule if that becomes an issue. You'll have access to your coach every day with unlimited text and email support and a video library for kind of any issues that you have with the movements. We'll also check in weekly to see how your throwing is going. And we will kind of guide you through the entire process. If you're interested in this, shoot us an email or kind of check out the informational page on the website if you have any questions. Thanks.